Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of this 12 inches ring light that I have here. So I'm going to be doing a review of this ring light. First, I'm going to open it up so that you can see what it looks like. It's a 12 inches ring light. Guys, it comes with a carry bag. This is what the carry bag looks like. So I'm going to open up the bag so that we'll see what is inside. This is the ring light here. The ring light, let's see. And then it comes with this and a phone stand. Okay, so this is the carry bag. It has two different filters, the white one and the orange filter. Okay, so I'm going to put the white one on now. This is the stand. So this is the off and on button here. The off and on button is right here. So when you turn it on, you turn it off, on and off. Then it also has an adjuster button here. You can dim the light and you can make it go very high. Okay, now I'm going to turn off the 18 inches ring light that I'm shooting with and shoot with this small one, and let's see the difference. But remember, I am still shooting with the 18 inches ring light. The 18 inches is going to go off now, and here comes the 12 inches. 18 inches going off, 12 inches on. Guys, what do you think? Is this ring light worth it? If you ask me, it is absolutely worth it. Okay, I call it the mobile ring light. Guys, this ring light is so lightweight. The stand is very lightweight. It's easy to carry around. You won't even feel like you're carrying so much because it's super lightweight. You can hang it around your shoulder and you're good to go. So if you are on a budget and you want to get a ring light that will serve purpose without breaking the bank, this ring light is for you. Right, I'm going to leave a link to where you can get this ring light at the description box, so do check it out and get your a ring light. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.